Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be the lesson for week 1, lesson 1, which you can see right here. This is my first time trying this particular program to do lessons, so kind of bear with me if it seems a little clunky. I'm not going to do all of these problems. I'm just going to do a couple so you have an idea. It's just sort of a reminder of how to evaluate functions. So on the problems that you're going to be asked to do, you will be given a function. Okay, so this is what your function is going to look like. And then you're going to be asked to evaluate it at a particular spot. Meaning, if I plug 9 into this function, what is the output? So the notation is really important. Make sure you're showing what you are plugging into the function. The x that you see right here is where that 9 is going to get plugged in. So this function, evaluated at 9, becomes 36 plus 3. So the evaluation of this function again at 9 ends up being 39. This is how you would have to state your answer. Let's pick another problem. Let's see on this worksheet if there's something that has maybe ooh, this is really good. I like this. Let's do this. All right, so take a look at this function. Okay, it's a pretty simple function, but notice that this time you are plugging in a binomial, right? It's not just a single number. It's an actual expression that you're plugging in for this one variable. So let's see what this is going to look like. 2 minus a. So where a was, I'm going to be replacing that with 2 minus a. So when I distribute, I get 4 minus 2a minus 2. Don't forget this notation on this side as well. So over here, when I combine these two like terms, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the evaluation of this